No.
I don't care. Shut the.
I'm a very video shy person.
I don't give a shit. I'm recording it anyways because this is fucking stupid.
Jimmy.
Oh, Jimmy.
Yeah, Judy, you like this jam, Judy? You like this jam? You like this jam, Judy? You like this jam? You like me? What the fuck? Can I move? You like me whipping this nay-nay on your ass? Virus is dead. That guy died. My fingers are still broken.
He killed himself.
When'd you go hang himself after he saw 3 fucking Jimmys with big dick?
Yeah, I know what we should watch.
Alright, put on a video about Jimmy's mom.
Yeah, Jimmy's mom. Don't worry about it, I got it. Jimmy's mom was so glad.
This is stupid.
Yes.
I'm gonna entitle this Jimmy's mom.
Yes! The best video! Wait, I just realized I might have to turn this down. Fuck.
You ruined the vibe.
Fuck you. My fucking finger. I don't know if I'm doing the middle finger. What the fuck? Am I doing the middle finger? What is going on? My hands are still broken. What? Your ass is still broken. Like, what the fuck?
No.
Guys, look. Come.
I can't fab now to Jimmy's mom.
I can fab to Judy's map.
I can't fab right now.
Jimmy's map.
I can't do this anymore. Are you snorting?
Yes, I do give a shit. Shut the fuck up. It's funny. Oh, look. Carol wheezer the Giga Chat. Actually, I'm more Giga Chat than you. I just don't have the job for it. Whopper, Junior, double dipper, decker, bopper,
It is the Condoleezza one.
You guys have to just invite a random friend of yours. And they're just gonna come in here and it's just gonna be this.
Will anyone join? Can someone random join, please? If only Captain Cringe was up right now, you're gonna be a bitch, have sex with someone, and then leave. Fucking pussy. Croissant.
My head's in the roof.
Croissant. Oh my god, we have a fucking small buff Jim. Carl. Look at this fucking. Look at this fucking strawberry. Oh my god. Judy, you like our size, Judy?
Judy, come on, Judy. I want to touch you somehow. Judy, come on, Judy. Touch my dick.
Would you like?
Jimmy's brown.
Oh, Jimmy.
Come on, Jimmy's mom. Touch my dick. You want to touch Jimmy? Come on, Jimmy's pussy. Come on.
Show us the classroom.
Yes, Bessie. I'm the worst of the song.
I'm out of your shut
I can't do this anymore. I'm done. I'm ending this. I'm so done.
Fuck you guys.